Per InsideEVs, General Motors is scaling back production at its Ramos Arizpe plant in Mexico, dropping from 3 shifts to 2 and cutting about 800 jobs. This plant builds key electric vehicles, including the Chevrolet Blazer EV, Equinox EV, and Honda Prologue. Honda, which partners with GM to produce the Prologue, says it's adjusting production to better match market demand. The Prologue had a strong first year, with over 46,000 units produced and around 33,000 delivered to U.S. buyers. However, despite its success, InsideEVs notes that dealer inventory may still be high, which could explain Honda's decision to slow down production. GM's electric vehicle sales were strong in 2024, making this move somewhat unexpected. However, Honda dealers have voiced concerns about inventory levels, and current market day supply figures suggest that new Prologues may not be selling as quickly as expected. Looking ahead, Honda plans to expand its electric lineup, with its own EV manufacturing hub set to come online by the end of this year, introducing at least 2 Honda EVs by early 2026. You are listening to Yuan News.